Let's talk testing strategies for the Florida Real Estate License exam. This isn't just another study harder pep talk. This is about real, actionable strategies that can help you walk out of the exam room with that passing score in hand. So, let's break it down. The state license exam process. First off, the process. You apply through the DBPR, Department of Business and Professional Regulation. They approve your application, then send your file over to Pearson VUE. Pearson VUE emails you an authorization letter. That's your green light to schedule the exam. Need to schedule? Call them at 1-888-204-6289 or book online at pearsonvue.com. Simple enough, right? What to bring on exam day. Here's the deal for exam day. Get there 30 minutes early. Early is on time, folks. Bring 2 forms of ID, your course completion slip, your confirmation number, and that authorization notice from Pearson VUE. And don't forget your calculator. It needs to be silent, handheld, and battery operated. No fancy printing calculators, no bells and whistles. Need a translation dictionary? That's fine too, but it has to meet their guidelines. The computer-based exam. Okay, now let's talk about the exam itself. It's computer-based. You can move forward or backward through the questions. You can mark questions to review later. There's even a summary screen that shows your answered, unanswered, or skipped questions. Oh, and the time left. Use the tutorial before the test starts. It's there for a reason. Get comfortable with the setup. Exam strategies. Here's a tip. Plan to go through the test at least twice. First pass, knock out the easy ones. Second pass, focus on the tough questions. The questions aren't grouped by category, so don't get tripped up. You'll see law, principles, practices, and math all mixed together. Tackle the ones you know first. Preparing for success. Let's talk mindset. Develop a positive attitude. Studies show optimists perform better. So, ditch the negativity. Visualize yourself calm, confident, and walking out with that passing score. Control anxiety. A little nervousness is normal. It can even help. But don't let it spiral. Take a deep breath, roll your shoulders, and focus. Budget your time. You've got 3.5 hours. Here's how to break it down. First 3 hours, answer the questions. Final 30 minutes, review your work. Hit the halfway mark by question 50. Don't get stuck on any one question. Move on and come back later. Remember, efficiency wins the day. Question terminology. Let's decode the question format. The STEM is the question itself, the setup. The answers? Those are the choices, and only one is correct. The rest? Distractors. Ignore them. Math questions. For math, here's a pro tip. Estimate before you calculate. Seriously, it helps. A lot of mistakes happen when people rush through the math. Check your units, your decimal points, and your logic. Unfamiliar questions. Now, if you hit a question that makes you think, what language is this even in? Don't panic. Remember, it's just one question out of 100. Eliminate the wrong answers and make an educated guess, selecting the best answer. For questions that ask for the best or most accurate answer, chances are more than one answer will look correct. Eliminate the weaker ones, then pick the strongest option. Improving your odds. If you're stuck, don't guess blindly. Narrow it down. Eliminate what you know is wrong. Increase your odds of choosing correctly. Negatively worded questions. Beware of not and except in questions. When you see those, flip your thinking. Eliminate the correct answers and choose the one that doesn't fit. Clues in the question. Words like usually or generally might point to the correct answer. Absolutes like always or never. They're often distractors. Watch for those clues. Desperation strategies. If you're really stuck, here's a last resort. Look at the length of the answers. The longest one is sometimes correct because it's more detailed. For math, avoid extremes. The highest and lowest numbers are usually wrong. But again, use these strategies sparingly. Final exam reminders. Prepare ahead of time. Get a good night's sleep. Wear comfortable clothes. Eat a solid meal. Show up early. Follow all instructions. Read every word of every question. Don't rush, but don't dawdle. Aim for a passing score, not perfection. And that's it. Use these strategies, stay calm, and go into that exam with confidence. You've got this. Good luck, and I'll see you on the other side, licensed and ready to crush it in real estate.